Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can do the motion blur in Capcut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Capcut app. So once your Capcut app gets opened up, you need to select a new project or restart your old project. And once you do this, simply press on the effects option. So now from the effects, press on video effects, and from the search bar you can simply search motion blur option. So after you search motion blur, you will get several options from which you need to select the one where it is written motion blur. So after it gets downloaded, the effect will be on your video, and after it is done, you can simply choose the duration of the motion you want to keep in your video. So you can just scroll on the right side to increase the video motion length, otherwise you can just decrease it as per your liking. So this is how you apply motion blur on your Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.